Gutigana nayo mwancho mugeria ebyombe ao ebikurigeria omuraibu ense ya Kenya Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nyare kobaga gwikirania gatie chi agenda chae cyanyatwa kobaga kuriera abananchi eira chinga kyarenge kurya oburaibu ense ya Kenya gatie kyombe kyo goseba kuragwa no mutenerebe kyombe kya International Center for Research and Sustainable Development Vicky Onderi amo no ambassador kurwa sense ya Grace Vicky Patazopolo amo no mokonyi wo mugavana we county ya Nandi Dr. Yulita Miteje Ruot ni goba beire au mustari umutukwane kimna omuraibu ense ya Kenya oikiranie chi agenda echo
abara ya bukuru wa sense moyo bolemi ni goba tarete school ya Kisii National Polytechnic abasabanya koba kurwa ebiego liko nyakoba kwene kianga iganga yobolimi ase county ya Kisii ngonyare koba kego kina Mulikito Job Ongaga ni gaikira na sense meyo na gutwariganira orabotiro kubwate senchira yoboikirano
Senchira ya moyo korre serikali ngoikiraniere chi agenda inye chomuraibu ense ya Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta ni gomo teneneribu kyombe ya International Center for Research and Sustainable Development Vicky Nyaboke Onderi kubwate sigwane wizara yobolimi barure binto au gocha skuru ya Kisii National Polytechnic eliogoikirania egangeye egati abiri ababete bakurwa na mono murobero bugo chakia na gosumeke meta skuru eye ase barengete metelwe yemo wego chi machine cha value addition chenibo yechishiringi chiribu chimi isano.
We are doing big 4 agendas in the whole country. We did the first one in Narok. PS Nkulu was the chief guest. Nandi, Wilbert was the chief guest. Kiambu, Mama Ngina Kenyatta was the chief guest. Nandi, also the deputy president, Dr. William Ruto, was the chief guest. And today, we are having a big 4 agenda in preparation to have a big agenda whereby the president is going to be the chief guest. In today's function, we brought together media, academia, national government, county government, and everybody on board. So today we were able, as the CEO of International Center for Research and Sustainable Development, I donated value addition machines worth 500,000 to Kisii National Polytechnic. I donated 1,000 trees worth 100,000 to Kisii National Polytechnic.
Wego wizara yobolimi gwetire department ya livestock ni go nero ya ruete biegwa ao ase oyo mutenerete omo principal secretary ase wizara eye Hari Kimutai omusubati Nancy Cheruiyot ayenekirie nige wizara ebegetomokia korabune serikali ngoikiraniere okugania kwa Uhuru Kenyatta.
This is Nancy Cheruiyot, the managing trustee of Commodities Fund, but today I was not here on my own behalf. I was here to represent the PS livestock, Mr. Hari Kimutai. And I want to say that this was a very, very important function for us, especially the people of the Ministry of Agriculture, because we know that food security is one of the main pillars. So for us, food security being very critical for the ministry through the State Department of Livestock donated a number of equipments that is going to boost and support the dairy farming in the region, and some of those things are actually a milk cooler that was distributed, that was donated. We also have artificial insemination kits were donated as well, and also modern equipment for a modern abattoir. So I want to say that the Ministry of Agriculture is very keen to ensure that the food security agenda of the Big Four is achieved, because we know that a well-fed people is a healthy people, and a healthy people is a productive people.
Umurobero boigo nigo ikiranete no ambassador korwa sense ya Grace mwekanete buna Vicky Patazopolo korbateria Getembe Television korwa county ya Kisii Amarieta Job Ongaga.